They're working on the septic system. They're putting in new pipes and a new manifold with two risers. One's a clean out, one's the attachment to the home. Then I guess I just do a direct dump into the tank for our septic as long as we need that. So they'll do this first. Hopefully it passes. And they're supposed to get a compaction test with some kind of radar thing. So it ought to be interesting. I'll get around the screen there. Now the dirt looks awful soft on the edge, so I don't know. He's gonna dig down where the foundation is gonna be. I believe he's gonna go quite a ways down, maybe 3 feet or more. So all of that dirt can be used on the edge there. I think that's his plan. So this is the true day one. I haven't even used that compactor over there. It's just sat there. I think they wanted to get it out of the way. Well, when he digs down, he's got to dig down for the foundation, so the compaction only needs to be down as far as he digs it. So I'm going to relax about that. It's all backfill outside of that, according to Jack. Not Jack, Rod. He said he was going to go down and then that would be backfill. The dirt comes out pretty easily. He's probably happy about that. So he's trenching, I think, for the power. And that, where he just dug, is where the sidewalk was for the last, since 2002. So it's naturally compacted. But I didn't raise that up. That's the level. Right now, what the level it's at now is grade for the house, although it went downhill underneath it. So it was on a grade. Well, I'm going to cut this short and we'll take more.